Welcome to the End Content Co YouTube channel, where technology takes the front seat, and transparency in our reviews is our guiding principle. Today, we're taking a closer look at the DJI Mini 4, a marvel in the drone technology space. Remember, our reviews are uninfluenced by brand sponsorships. You'll find a link to the DJI Mini 4 in the description below. Unveiling the DJI Mini 4 from its packaging, it's immediately noticeable how DJI has managed to pack such advanced technology into such a compact and lightweight design. This drone is not just about aesthetics, it's designed for practicality, making it perfect for adventurers and content creators alike. Its portability is unmatched, fitting in the palm of your hand. Delving into its functionality, the DJI Mini 4 does not disappoint. With enhanced stability and wind resistance, it captures smooth, cinematic footage even in challenging conditions. Its camera quality is exceptional, boasting high-resolution video capabilities and stunning photo clarity. Using the DJI Mini 4 is a breeze for both beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts. Its intuitive app interface makes flight planning, tracking, and capturing footage more accessible than ever. Considering its portability, performance, and the sheer quality of content it can produce, the DJI Mini 4 stands out as a valuable tool for anyone looking to elevate their photography and videography game. Whether you're capturing moments from a family vacation or shooting professional-grade aerial footage, the DJI Mini 4 offers a perfect blend of functionality and convenience. We give design and utility 4.5 stars. It strikes a remarkable balance between advanced technology and user-friendly design. We give value 4.5 stars. For its price, the DJI Mini 4 offers unparalleled value to content creators and hobbyists alike. Would you consider adding the DJI Mini 4 to your tech arsenal? Or do you have an experience to share? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated on our latest tech insights and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting content in our upcoming videos.